Tiny Talk lifetime deals. You've seen the buzz, now let's break it down. Is it worth it? Let's get straight into it. Tiny Talk is an AI-powered communication coach built for non-native English speakers and shy speakers alike. It helps you speak clearly and confidently by analyzing your tone, pace, filler words, and more. It's like having a personal speaking coach in your pocket, whether you're practicing for meetings, interviews, or just improving fluency. Text on screen. Small Blue Diamond real-time feedback. Small Blue Diamond English fluency insights. Small Blue Diamond ideal for professionals and students. Now, let's talk about that lifetime deal. Tiny Talk's offer is a one-time payment, no subscriptions, no hidden fees. For around $49 to $99, depending on the tier, you get access for life. That means unlimited practice sessions, full analytics, and all future updates. Just once, and you're done paying. Who is this for? Remote workers in the US working with global teams. ESL learners preparing for citizenship interviews or job interviews. Freelancers trying to sound more polished on Zoom. This is perfect if you use tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Record Audio for work. It integrates smoothly into your routine. Tiny Talk focuses on real improvement. It doesn't just score your grammar, it gives real-time speech analysis, points out where you hesitate, and even tracks your progress over time. Compared to hiring a speech coach, this is way more affordable and flexible. What users love. Heavy checkmark private and judgment-free. Heavy checkmark built for real-life conversations. Heavy checkmark progress tracking that motivates. You get a clear, personalized dashboard, and you can practice at any time, before a big call or presentation. Cut to host or animated list. Pros. White heavy checkmark one-time payment. White heavy checkmark useful speech feedback. White heavy checkmark ideal for busy professionals. Cons. Crossmark limited language support, only English for now. Crossmark not a replacement for human conversation. Verdict? If you're looking to sharpen your English speaking skills without spending hundreds per month, the Tiny Talk lifetime deal is a no-brainer. It's especially helpful for anyone in the US who wants to boost communication at work, school, or in public speaking situations. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more lifetime deal reviews, and drop your questions or experiences in the comments.